Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel ArchiTuber. We are discussing about the most important command that you will be needing when you make a floor plan. Okay, so these are the most important and easy to use commands when you make a floor plan. This makes every process very easy. So let us start. So until now we have discussed about the layer. We will be discussing it in a separate video. The detailed video will be coming very soon. So now talking about the extension line, scale and stretch, these three commands will be very helpful to you when you are planning a site plan or a floor plan. Okay, so let's see how to use these commands. Now the first command is extend. To use this command you just have to type extension line or XL in the command box below, and there are different types of XL lines. Okay, so one is horizontal line, one is vertical line, one is angular and one is bisect. Okay, these lines are very helpful for you when you want to work in a grid. Okay, so that is the whole point for this command. So now the second command is stretch. You just simply have to type S in the command box below. Now as you can see in the previous video we made this basic floor plan. So now I am going to show you how you can use the XL line and how can you use stretch commands. Both commands will learn together. Okay, so now here I am typing XL line, and then you can see there are different 4 types of XL lines. So I am typing V for the vertical line, and as you can see I have placed that line on one point that is called as a base point. Okay, and then again I will be offsetting that vertical line. So here I am offsetting 6 meters. So then I will stretch the part that I want to the second base point that we call the extension line. Okay, now again I am using the same command but with a horizontal extension line, and now we are going to be doing 3 meters into 5 meters of stretch. So you just have to simply select the drawing and then stretch to the another base point. Okay, this is the process when you want to stretch the drawing. Now talking about the scale command. To use this command you can just type SC in the command box, and there are 2 types of scaling methods. One is factor method and one is reference method that we will discuss in detail. Let's see how to do it. Now as you can see I have selected all the drawing, and then you just have to type SC in the command box below, and you can see there is a first command known as scale. You have to click on it, and that then you just have to specify a base point, and you can see how it is scaling. Like you can scale it down or scale it up. Okay, so here you can either do a factor wise method, or you can simply have a reference point to have your scaling. So first method is factor. So you know there is, if you want to scale it down to 1:200, now the drawing is in 1:100. We have the dimensions of 6 meter by 5 meter. Okay, so if we want to make it to 1:200, we have to use the factor of 0.5. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll type SC enter. I will type a factor 0.5 and then just scale it down. Okay, and just enter. There you have it, 6 meter converted into 3 meters and 5 meters converted into 2.5 meters. The same way, if you want to make it to a larger scale, like if you want to make it to 1:50, then what you will do, you just type 2 into factor scale, and then you will have it, the original 1:100 scale drawing. Now from 1:100 to go to 1:200, you will again have to use the factor. So type SC, use factor, and then just press enter. Okay, then again we will see about different method, that is reference method. So we will again select the whole drawing, then specify a base point. We'll add a reference line where we want our drawing to scale, and then we'll add one base point to another base point, and then just press enter. Okay, I hope this video was helpful for you. So please subscribe to my channel below and stay tuned for the next video. I'll be back very soon. Thanks for watching.